Hello everybody. So now I will show you how to find the area in here. The first thing, we have to x multiplied by number 1 and x. And now we need to graph about this one. And this is about this graph in here. So the area we need to find that is about this one. So I will put number 0 gone here, number 1 gone here. We need to find this area. So we can apply the formula in here. So that is about the integration from number 0 to number 1. So we have the upper function minus the lower function. So in this one, the upper function that is about this one on here. And the lower function that is about this one, y equals to number 0. So I will put number 0 gone here. And the upper function that is this one. Based on the figure in here. So the integration of 2x, that is about x squared. And the second one, that is about x to the power of 3 over 3. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So I will put number 1 gone here, number 0 gone here. So we have the final answer. So we calculate this one and we have 1 over 3. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.